In this video, I will show you how to add a YouTube video to your Shopify blog post or on Shogun and Gempages page builders. To start, let's add a YouTube video to a blog post. Create a blog post. Click on the Share button on the video page. Hit Embed. Copy the code. On the content editor, you can click the camcorder icon and insert the embed snippet. You can also do this by switching to an HTML editor. Let's add some text below it. For Shogun Builder, you can click on the video element and paste the YouTube video URL instead of the code snippet. For the Gempages page builder, use the YouTube element and paste into the video URL.